Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse faster than your toddler can spill juice on your freshly cleaned floor. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. We've got the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop here on the left, and on the right, the Shark Steam and Scrub. One promises to be your cleaning superhero, and the other, well, let's hope it doesn't turn into a cleaning villain. First up, let's talk about price. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop comes in at $164, making it a solid choice if you're looking for something versatile and effective for pet messes and more. However, many reviewers appreciate the Shark Steam and Scrub for its lower price of $139. So if you want to save some cash for those takeout nights, Shark takes the lead here. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. Reviewers rave about the BISSELL being a powerful handheld steam cleaner and mop all in one, making it highly effective for various surfaces. On the other hand, the Shark boasts an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, which many users describe as a game changer for cleaning efficiency. So if you want to be the superhero of your floors, BISSELL might have the edge. But if you want to be the flash of floor cleaning, Shark's got your back. Next, let's talk features. The BISSELL comes with an extension tube and a variety of tools, making it perfect for above-floor cleaning, while Shark offers 3 steam modes and LED headlights. Reviewers love the versatility of the BISSELL, noting its ability to tackle different cleaning tasks, while Shark's features are appreciated for their convenience and effectiveness. So, if you want versatility, BISSELL's your buddy. But if you want to light up your cleaning game, Shark's got it covered. Let's talk about sanitization, because who doesn't want their floors cleaner than a germaphobe's dream? The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, a feature highly praised by reviewers who appreciate its quick heating and effectiveness. Shark also sanitizes effectively, but some users mention that following instructions is crucial for optimal results. Both products are tough on germs, but BISSELL might be the more no-nonsense option. Overall, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop receives high marks for its versatility and effectiveness, though some users note it can become heavy during extended use. The Shark Steam and Scrub, praised for its ease of use and innovative features, has some minor drawbacks, but is generally well received for its cleaning performance and affordability. So, there you have it. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is your multi-tool cleaning superhero, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is your speedy scrubbing sidekick with style. It's like choosing between Batman and the Flash. Both are awesome in their own right. In the end, your choice might just come down to your cleaning style. Are you a meticulous planner or a get-up-and-go kind of person? Whichever you choose, just remember to keep those floors cleaner than your ex's excuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep making smart purchases with us at Buy Smart. Until next time, happy cleaning!